Of the European indices, a little bit of a mixed bag. Some are up, some are down, but in general, they're just waiting for that U.S. data. There's reports on durable goods and new home sales. That data may provide further evidence of a rebound in the economy. This is a look at the indices. You can see the CAC actually on the lower side, the DAX as well, the FTSE gaining some 0.4%. Now, in general, expectations are increasing that central banks are moving to scale back their stimulus as the global economy recovers, and so that is waning a little bit on the rally we saw in the last 6 months. On to corporates, and Unilever, the maker of Dove soap, plans to buy Sara Lee's personal care unit for $1.8 billion in cash. Well, the transaction needs regulatory approval, and the companies will consult with European Employee Works Council. The purchase is the first major acquisition for Unilever Chief Executive Paul Polman, who took over in January. For Sara Lee, though, the division is part of a 4-year effort to shed units as they focus on coffee and food. And finally, Shell is set to overtake rival BP in terms of output. It comes as a result of big investments made by the company following its reserve scandal in 2004. Well, Shell will boost its oil and gas output by a third, thanks to about $40 billion of investments from Qatar to Brazil. But you see, both Shell and BP were still on the higher side. Scarlett.
Thanks so much, Francine, in London.